The INTEX C1500 Filter Pump is designed to enhance your pool experience with its advanced water aeration technology, improving both circulation and filtration for crystal clear water. Installation is a breeze with this pump, allowing users to simply connect hoses and plug it in, making it an essential addition for above-ground pools up to 9,400 gallons. Maintaining the INTEX C1500 is straightforward, as it uses Type A filter cartridges that are easy to clean and should be replaced every 2 weeks for optimal performance. With a pump flow rate of 1,500 gallons per hour, this filter pump efficiently caters to the needs of large pools, ensuring consistent water clarity. INTEX prioritizes safety and quality, designing their products to meet high standards, providing a reliable and durable solution for pool maintenance. The INTEX C1500 filter pump combines affordability with innovation, offering a robust and long-lasting option for those seeking an effective pool filtration system.